What is a sell stop? What is a buy stop? What is a sell limit? What is a buy limit? Guys, good day. This is Mr. D. I'm going to be talking about the sell stop, buy stop, sell limit, buy limits as well. So guys, most people, they don't know what is that. I've got this request from one of my members who asked me, say, Mr. D, we want to know what is a sell stop, what is a buy stop, what are all those things, and how do I apply that into my trade, and how do they help me? So I'm here just to tell you guys how you can benefit on that. My name is Mr. D from D Forex. Guys, please subscribe on this channel, like the video so that other people can be able to see it, and press the notification button so that if I post a new video, you'll be the first person to see it. Okay, guys, let me just jump in straight to what is a sell stop, what is a buy stop, what is a buy limit, what is a sell limit. Guys, I'm here on gold. I'm here on gold. As you see here, the gold, yeah, you can see it's going down, it's going down, it's going down nicely. As you see gold going down nicely here, guys. So if I can say what is a thing, let me start from a sell stop. What is a sell stop? For instance, you see gold is going down. Eh? As you see gold going down, what is happening is, so when you're gonna go to your MT4, you go to your MT4, you say, no, now I want to place a sell stop. What is a sell stop? A sell stop is whereby you set your trade and say, okay, you do your analysis. For instance, as you see this line here, this purple line here, okay, let's say I want to place a trade below this line, because you can see maybe that the market hasn't reached the point whereby you like to place a trade. You don't want to miss any trade. So what do is you set a sell stop. Okay, so here what we're gonna do when you get this line, I can see here it's on 1853. On 1853, you go to your MT4, you set your pending order, you said, okay, you want to set a sell stop. From there, you place your trade and say, as soon as the market get to 1853, I wanted to start selling, because that's where you feel and you're convinced that from this time the thingy is gonna be the same. So that's where you place your thingy, your sell stop, which means as soon as the market hits that what you call that figure, so that's where your thingy, your trade will start to be active. But your trade won't be active until the market get to that level, to that figure that you have said that, okay, when the market get to this figure, I want the market, I want to get in the market as well and be part of this trade. So that is a sell stop. Same thing applies to a buy stop. Same thing applies to a buy stop. Let me make an example again. Let's with gold as well. Let's say here the market, when the market was here approaching this line and say, okay, I can see that the market is going up above this line. As soon as it's above this line, I want to enter the market. So what do? You set what you call, you set sorry about this, guys. You set a buy stop as well. You set a buy stop above this line. Above this line, you set a buy stop that as soon as the market come to the price and you are in the market, it goes with you. You are buying, and you can be able to set your stop loss as well. I don't know. I believe that on that one, I'm clear, guys. The sell stop and the buy stop. Okay. The buy stop, I said, as soon as the market hit that line, it starts kicking in. As a sell stop, as soon as the market kick that line again, it starts hitting in. I can say like, okay, the market is here. The market is here. As soon as the market is here, you said, okay, as soon, because we are selling, which means it's going down. As soon as it's up, it's below this, as soon as the market gets below this line, this is the line. As soon as the market gets below this line and you start selling here, you start selling here up below this line. You start selling where? Here. That's where you're gonna start selling. So you start selling here, so which means you go down with a trend. If it's a trend or whatsoever, you go down with a trend. So, and the buy stop as well, say the line is here, you set your stop here, the buy stop here. I said, okay, as soon as this is the line, as soon as the market is above this line, so I want to get in. So it helps you not to be in front of the PC. Keep on checking if the market has reached your target, your level, your entry point, whereby you want to enter. So it helps you, in fact, in such a way that you're not gonna miss any entry point. Or if you see, okay, that's okay, the market is about to sell here, but I don't want to sell here in this point because maybe the thingy, the previous data might affect me. Let me wait and sell below it, or let me wait and buy above it. So that is a sell stop and a buy stop. So what is now a buy limit and a sell limit? A sell limit is like this, guys. A sell limit says, okay, now this is my level, this is the market. Yeah? This is the market is here already. Okay, let me just show you here on the PC. The market is here already, and you have a feel that the market has to, what the market gonna do is, okay, let me just make it this way. I'm making an example here. You say, okay, the market is here. You have a feel that the market gonna come here and go back again. Oh, sorry, I used the wrong one. Sorry about that. Okay, this is the one I was supposed to use. Sorry. You have a feel that the market, okay, as soon as the market is here, you have a feel that, okay, the market is still gonna reverse, come here, come to this point, maybe retest to this point and go this way. Okay, so what do? You set your thingy, your buy stop here. It's your buy stop. You set it. Your sell stop, because now we are selling. Your sell limit. Sorry, man. I'm sorry about that. Your sell limit will be here on this line. Let me just put a line. Your sell limit will be here on this line, because you said you want to sell as soon as the market gets to this line. You want to sell. That's where your sell limit is, because you wait for the market to get, you said, okay, the market, because the market is here, and you anticipate that the market gonna reverse and get to this level and take you in now, go down with you. So that's why you set your sell limit. Your buy limits, okay, your buy limit is gonna be something similar, which means now, let's say the market is here, yeah? Let's say the market is here, and now you want to set your sell limits, okay? You believe that the market gonna reverse again to this level. You set your buy limit here. So which means the market is already here. You set the market is already here on this yellow line here. So now what you do, you set your buy limit, and you said, okay, I know the market is still gonna reverse to this level and go up. So which means you are saying the market gonna do this, gonna come to this line and go up. So what you do is you set your you set your buy limit here, that you are waiting for the market to come back and kick you in. So that is a buy limit. Guys, I was explaining the buy limit, the sell limit, the buy stop, and the sell stop. So I think it's clear, guys. If you don't understand, you're more than welcome to leave your comment below and let me know what you think. And if you feel that this content was very powerful, or maybe something that you want to hear more content from me, please, guys, subscribe on this page and like this video as well, and I appreciate that. My name is D Forex. My name is Mr. D from D Forex, sorry to say, and I'll see you on the other side, because the bottom is overcrowded. Thank you so much.